detail.
June 23rd.
Adjectives that are not generic.
Jeez. Like, tell me about Norwegian food. Oh, we had
I almost missed this.
We had
Hang
some
on,
fresh
guys.
fish and-
We just got pizza. I almost forgot to do this. Warren's already done.
Get the logo, Pepe's Pizza.
We just said it, Pepe's
Pepe's Norwegian pizza.
Norwegian pizza. I said, "Forstår du English?" She said, "Of course, idiot." Walter made me do it.
Are you talking to Ellie? No, you're talking to
Talking to himself.
Ariel. What?
Dad put lime all over his pizza for some reason.
No, I put spices on it.
Spices, he calls it.
They did have some weird spices up there for it. Normally it would be garlic, oregano. They had barbecue pepper, which I've never heard of.
Alright. We're in the train station. About to... No. I'm not on the phone. We're at the train station. We're about to go to Shen, which is skiing in English, at 3:39.
Skiing.
It's currently 3 o'clock. That's it.